Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer ad accounts in Google Ads Manager hierarchy, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer an ad account in Google Ads Manager, log into your Google Ads Manager account. Navigate to the admin section located at the bottom left of the page. In the account section, select Account Access. Click on the Add Users button if you want to invite a new user. Enter the email address of the user you want to add. Choose the level of access you wish to grant this user. Click the Send Invitation button to proceed. Inform the new user to accept the invitation sent to their email. Once the new user accepts the invitation, go back to the Account section under Admin, select the ad account you wish to transfer. In the Account Access menu for that account, find the user you want to transfer the account to. Click on their name, and then select Change Role if necessary. Now, ensure the new user has the right access level to manage the ad account. To finalize the transfer, you may need to remove the original user from the account access list. After adjustments are made, confirm the settings are correct. The ad account transfer process is now complete. Always double-check that the new user has appropriate permissions to access and manage the ad account. Make sure to maintain open communication with the new user for any transition-related queries. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.